Hey, what's up? TROY the Maker checking in. Welcome to project number 31. If this is your first time here, I make project videos every week using a laser engraver. And if you like that type of stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any of my new uploads. In this project, we're gonna make the Glowforge design amplifier. Okay, here's the design once you get it all uploaded. This is the back part, as you can see there with the handle. These are the two middle parts right here. And here's the front part right here, the name of this channel, sitting right here on top of this tape right here. And I also got my logo right here in the corner right here, which makes it pretty dope. We got all the pieces cut out, and it turned out really good. As you can see, you see the detail in it. It's really nice. I really like how it turned out. As you can see, I got 5 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 instead of 4 pieces. That's because I ended up cutting another piece because I had to cut another piece because my phone would not fit inside of the slot like that. It's too much. It's like the phone is too thick. It wouldn't slide inside of it. So what I did was I cut another piece of the middle part and I put it inside of it, like I'm gonna glue it together like that. So now when I put the phone in, it'll fit. Cool. I left the paper on the back of this one. That's because this black, when you engrave on a black acrylic, you can't really see it. It's not as visible as you want it to be. So we're gonna use this rough and buff right here, and we're gonna put all over this so we can make the design pop and it'll stand out a little more. Alright, there it is. As you can see, it turned out really good. This was my first time using that rough and buff, and as you can see, I probably missed a little bit over here, or I probably buffed a little too hard over here. It didn't really fill in the engraved part over here like it did on this side right here, but it turned out really good, and that'll be all right. Also, that rough and buff, it's a lot of work. I mean, you got to do a lot of roughing and a lot of buffing. I just rather use a 2-color acrylic on the front or something, just to make it a lot easier versus doing all that roughing and buffing. And also, I use this solvent right here to glue it all together, and it turned out it's way better than using the E6000. Yeah, it's way better than that. And I use this. You got to use one of these too, but you know, whatever. But let's get a close-up on it. As you can see, Troy the Maker, name of this channel. Also, I got for right now, my logo right there, TM. It's pretty cool. And yeah, let's get a close-up on it. You can see, oh, I got some up in there too, as you can see. But it's all right. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Nice and clean. Yep, pretty cool. Pretty cool. But we have to do the ultimate test. Does the amplifier really work? Let's go check it out. Okay, so we're in the bathroom. I think this is the perfect place to test it out, because I know I'm not the only one that listens to music while I'm in the bathroom using my phone. And sometimes when you just got your phone, the shower can overpower the sound. So let's see if it's louder than just the phone by itself. Okay, that was the test. Let me know in the comments below what you think. There you have it. Project number 31 complete. Laser cut phone amplifier. Boombox style. If you like that video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next project.